নমস্কার, কি একটু পুজো পুজো গন্ধ পাচ্ছেন তো আজকে আমার সাজটা দেখে? পুজো একদমই এসে গেল এবং তার জন্য আরো ঘন ঘন আমরা একটু ট্রেডিশনাল শাড়ি দেখাবো। আজকের এপিসোড 618th এপিসোড সংস্কৃতি কলকাতার, এবং আজকের এপিসোড এক্সক্লুসিভ অসাধারণ গাদওয়াল আর প্যাটার্নি কালেকশন। প্রথম শাড়িটা দিয়ে শুরু করব, একটা ভীষণই অন্যতম গাদওয়াল, সিকো গাদওয়াল। সিকো গাদওয়াল মানে সি মানে SI সিল্ক, আর কো মিন্স CO মিন্স কটন। বডিটা পুরো পিওর হ্যান্ড ওভেন কটন, তার সাথে সিল্ক বর্ডার, আর পিওর সিল্ক বর্ডার। আঁচলটার মধ্যে পুরো জড়ি দিয়ে উইভিং করা, গায়ে বুটি, ডুয়াল টোন, অপূর্ব একটা টার্কয়েজ ব্লু কালার, এবং তার সাথে একটা পপেন ব্লু এর ব্লাউজ পিস। শাড়িগুলো কিন্তু আপনারা জানেন সরু ন্যারো ফোল্ডে আসে, তো all the sarees come in narrow long folds which can be folded even in a shorter way. So we've opened every saree, so maybe there is bit of crushes here. So we are opening every saree so that you can see the body properly and the combination as well. The pallus, gadwals are famous for their texture, the quality and their rich achol pallus. So these are beautiful color combinations which I'll show in gadwal with zari butta. This is the first one, Siko gadwal. Even I'm wearing a Siko gadwal, so exclusive collections I'll show you. So this is number 2. The border has a very pretty stripe woven border, and it is all over ghana butta. This is the pallu, and this is the blouse piece. The blouse piece will be running along with the achol. This is the blouse piece. So with this, I think a red blouse, a red raw silk blouse or a red silk blouse, and just use the border to look very nice. The sarees comes with blouse piece and ghana butta, and this has a more premium quality silk in the border and pallu, hand woven. 12,900 with close, बहुत close butta hai. Sari base color is a navy type color, very very pretty shade with rich आंचल. See the pallu, इसका pallu के लिए price थोड़ा सा comparatively higher है वो पहले साड़ी से. hand woven साड़ी, handloom साड़ी, Siko gadwal in a traditional combination. Love these whites, I'm addicted to off whites and whites. This is so beautiful, again with a very rich purple border. Siko gadwal purple border. Today I'll show you a variety of fabrics in gadwal. Blouse piece. See, this is the stitched, it is done stitches here. Just have to cut out the blouse piece from the stitch. All the sarees comes with blouse pieces. This is the pallu. The pallu is very very exclusive pallu. Gadwals highlight our pallu borders, richness of the border, and the body is so beautiful. Now coming to silk gadwal. Silk gadwal. These colors are so rich that you can wear it any age, beautiful silk sarees, silk galwa. These are pattus and comes with this blouse piece. The blouse piece will have buta. So, there are variety of ranges in handloom Gadwal. Depending on the turning border, karua border, blouse buta, blouse plain, छोटा difference में price का फर्क आता है. तो हर रेंज आज हम आपको दिखाएंगे. बेसिक रेंज हम नहीं दिखा रहे. जो पावर लूम का जो एक बेसिक सिको में आता है, जो 5, 6, 7 में भी आता है, वो हम नहीं दिखाएंगे. ये सारा जो हम दिखा रहे हैं ये प्योर में है. Look at the pallu. Amazing dark maroon color border pallu. Body is also in silk in a greenish. It's nor pista, nor grey, nor beige. Chiku type color. Very nice shade. Very nice shade. Now another beautiful silk gadwal. These are all pure silk. The body as well as the border. And here comes the pallu. The pallu again very rich bottle green, and the base color is a very unique shade of yellow. It's a lime, touch of lime is there. It's not the mustard yellow, nor is it the lemon yellow, nor is it a golden yellow. इसमें एक touch of lime, वो नींबू का yellowish नींबू का skin color बहुत खूबसूरत color है. उसी टाइप उसके साथ ये बूटा वाला ब्लाउज आ रहा है बॉटल ग्रीन में. ये सब रेयर कलर्स है, बहुत कम आता है. ये रिवर्स साइड एक बार देखिए. दिस इज द रिवर्स साइड. हैंड वोवन साड़ी, रिवर्स साइड, वेरी प्रिटी इन प्योर सिल्क गदवाल. तो आपका ये साड़ी फोल्डेड ही जाएगा. पूरा जैसे फोल्ड गदवाल का होता है वही छोटा फोल्ड में ही ये साड़ी आपका जाएगा. A beige color with buta blouse again, contrast border. This is a tussar type color, and this is the pallu. Really beautiful shades, and you will drool over the aanchols. This time we've selected very unique combinations and very rare pieces of aanchol border. New weaves, new collection, totally for the festive season. Check body, Meena Buta. Check body, Meena Buta. And here is the blouse piece. See the combination, mainly traditional combinations, which is evergreen and it will get pride in your wardrobe. You will love the fabric, of course. By now you know we give the best of fabric, and whatever we say and I announce, it's there in the YouTube. Once you get the product, you can check what I've told in the YouTube. So this is the Meena Buta with Karua border and check zari, check body. Zari Buta with Meena again with rich pallu, beautiful pallu. और इसमें 2 colors हैं, maroon के साथ एक green selvage border भी है. बहुत खूबसूरत. कैसा लग रहा है आपको ये collection? जरूर व्हाट्सएप कीजिए या कमेंट कीजिए, थोड़ा सा सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा. ये सब हैंड वोवन साड़ीज हैं, बहुत मेहनत से ये सब बनकर आता है, तो साथ रहिए, सपोर्ट अस. नाउ न्यू फैब्रिक, एज आई सेड, टुडे आई विल बी शोइंग यू न्यू फैब्रिक्स इन गदवाल. सो दिस इज अ वेरी वेरी प्रिटी फैब्रिक. Very pretty. Now see, this is amazing. A pista color with maroon. Pure hand woven. Pista with maroon. Pure hand woven with very gorgeous border. Very gorgeous border. The border is so gorgeous. Just check out the pallu and the border. Product number 8. Product number 8. It's Kora. Pure silk Kora Gadwal. new, and it's soft and it's not that see-through, and the count of the kora is higher. Of course, these are pure silk Gadwal hand woven, and see the buttas, dollar butta throughout with this rich silk pallu. Superb. Siko Gadwal, silk Gadwal, kora Gadwal, the third fabric with silk border, silk pallu. Superb. Number 9. The number 9 is this peach kora. These are all, remember, these are all high count, pure kora hand woven. These are not the lightweight saris. These are lightweight, I mean to say the light count threads. These are pure and comes with a pure silk border and pallu. Running blouse piece. The blouse piece will be running. All these just opened first time in front of you. These are, so just check out the pallu. These pallus are pure silk and so extremely rich. The gold zari is just standing out, ideal for the festive season and very wearable. These fabrics are so wearable. You can wear it anytime throughout the year, summer and winter. They are so comfortable, very pretty. Another comes this one. This is so beautiful. Again, a pista color. This is tussar. So here we have a tussar color, tussar fabric. Again, Gadwal. The border pallu is hand woven silk. Pure tussar Gadwal comes with this blouse piece. The blouse piece is also in silk, dual tone with butta. Silk dual tone with butta. This is so beautiful. Just look at the body. The body has totally a very nice self-on-self stripe weave and small buttas. Small buttas and self-on-self stripe weave. Very, very nice pallu and blouse piece. The color combination, today's color palette will be very, very unique. Very unique, and not only the color palette. Just check out the whole video where you will see the weaving. The pattern of the weaves have also been changed. Now here we have a pure silk Gadwal with no zari resham border. Pure silk Gadwal, no zari resham border, and look at the pallu. Rich red, and this is not silver zari. These are all resham woven. So beautiful resham woven. These are, see, this is resham, this is also resham, no zari, and here is the blouse piece with the buttas. Isn't it unique? How, doesn't matter how old Sanskriti is, but whenever we come up with something new, I'm always so excited. So these are our festive new weaves. This is beautiful. Look at the buttas. The buttas are also in two colors, red and green, the body color. Now let me tell you, these are very rare shades and these are pure hand woven products. So exact shade is very difficult, and due to the mobile camera of different clients, so the light and though it's on natural light, this is just a spotlight. So the weave, the color may slightly change due to light, the camera device. But remember, I try my best to mention the exact color. This is like a mint color, a very nice kesar number, light pista mint color. It's a very pretty shade, and the weave in the, see the reverse side also, such a beautiful weave in pure silk, and this is so amazing. Very, very nice saris. And now comes the brocade Gadwals. Now comes the brocade ones, and this is all over rich gold zari, and the color again is yellow. The combination with peacock blue, just amazing, with peacock blue. And the blouse piece will be along with the pallu, because it's in silk. The body is in brocade, beautiful, and the upper border is slightly narrower. It will be in Rani color, and the lower border dual tone peacock blue color with pallu and butta blouse. These are all with turning borders. Actually, all the folds have been opened from the rolla. So this is why there are lines of folds. You just have to iron it properly. And this is the sari. Beautiful, just amazing, amazing. You will receive the sari in the similar folded manner. Very, very classy piece. Especially किसी का daughter का wedding हो, the mother-in-law can wear for pujo. Just superb piece. Another lovely piece is this check Gadwal again. Tussar check Gadwal. So beautiful, the border, it's in rich magenta color, so beautiful. And look at the blouse piece. The blouse piece, see, there's just the thread done, so they just cut out the thread and that's the blouse. It has silver and gold buta and rich gold border. The color is dual tone magenta, purple magenta, and this is the sari. Check with buta. Isn't it class? This is tussar, pure tussar, and it'll have a very, very good fall. These are now another stunning piece which is in red border. So we have two color combinations in check Gadwal. These are the tussar virgin color, tussar color, and tussar fabric. Check tussar in pure Gadwal comes with this blouse piece. The blouse piece will be in red, rich red, shidur lal jeta amra boli. তার সাথে সোনা রূপা মানে silver and gold buta, rich broad border, again a very traditional combination, absolutely amazing, a must in every wardrobe. These are rare beauties with all over gold silver zari buta. Very, very classy in Gadwal. Hold your breath. I have again something different for you. What is it? Yay! This is the latest exclusive. I've been waiting for 5.5 months for this sari. 5.5 months, and here comes a pure hand-woven Gadwal, dual tone with Gara Parsi. Fusion collection, our USP. Sanskriti's exclusive Gadwal Gara Parsi. Siko Gadwal dual tone with hand Gara Parsi Zaruk Pallu. And the Pallu, see, we've kept it very classy. Very classy Pallu. And the color is a lovely shade of sea green. And here comes the blouse piece. Don't ask me for pre-booking. I cannot wait for another 5.5 months. I've been continuously messaging question mark to the karigars. क्या हुआ जितना जब तक मुझे नहीं मिलता I'm so एंजाइटी पैंग्स हो जाता है मुझे जब तक मुझे साड़ी नया टाइप का साड़ी नहीं मिलता. हमारे यहाँ कैसा हुआ लुक कैसा है, स्पेशली यू आर स्पेंडिंग सो मच ऑन द कारीगरी ऑन द थ्रेड्स. लुक एट द कॉम्बिनेशन, इतना सुंदर पेस्टल प्योर गारा पारसी एंड सी द रिवर्स साइड. You will never regret this about this sari, especially when you have worn it for 1,000 times. Then cut the border, use it in another fabric. This is superb. Basically, these saris doesn't tear or wear until and unless something accident happens, like you spill something or that is different, or you can always go for dry clean. Otherwise, these are priceless. It will be a sari which you can pass on to generations. This is sheer beauty. कैसे लगा जरूर कमेंट कीजिएगा. Looking forward to read your messages. And if you are liking our products, please do subscribe to our channel. You can check out our Instagram reels and Facebook live videos. Facebook live, we do videos from Facebook live. Please join us. And here is another pure tissue tussar. Tissue tussar. Very fine, soft tussar with zari buta, classy pallu, exclusive woven again with Gara Parsi handwork. And look at the work. These are just class up. I was just waiting for these kind of saris. These not for the mass, these are for the class. Actually, I understand these are definitely, obviously, the fabric, the amount of labor that has gone, the months the karigar has spent for these saris. Of course, these will be pricey, but it's worth it. Absolutely worth it. These are just class. Direct stitch, no attached border, pure hand embroidered Gara Parsi Kashmiri work in pure tissue tussar with zari buta and exclusive contrast of white color, pallu and blouse. I'm so happy I can display these. I'm so happy. This is the back side. 5.5 महीना का लेबर एफर्ट कुछ ही सेकंड्स में बोलना खत्म नहीं होता है. The one who will wear this will treasure this. Okay, next is this Gadwal again. Very pretty Siko Gadwal with silk border. These Siko Gadwals we usually sell it plain also because इसमें एक क्लास है, इसमें फैब्रिक बहुत खूबसूरत है, बहुत सुंदर लगता है ये पहनने में. उसके ऊपर हम लोग थोड़ा एक्सपेरिमेंट करके ऐसा छोटा छोटा क्रॉस स्टिच का मशीन बूटा किया है और उसके साथ ये पल्ला. ये बॉर्डर पल्ला ब्लाउज इज इन सिल्क, प्योर सिल्क. दिस इज अ प्योर सीको गदवाल. No zari. The sari is without zari and the base color is so pretty with temple border. Typical traditional Gadwal comes with this blouse piece. है ना सुंदर? Not only sundar, unique. The color combination, see the brightness of the body and the subtleness of the silk border. कितना खूबसूरत और सोबर लग रहा है. पल्ला बॉर्डर एज इट इज, ये सिल्क का जो फ्लोई फैब्रिक है उसमें हमने बस ऐसा छोड़ दिया. साड़ी का टेक्सचर ही इतना सुंदर है कि क्या बताएं. उसी का कलर लेकर बूटा आ गया, इस रिलेशन आ गया और इतना सुंदर एक लुक भी आया है. Just the opposite combination of another lovely hand woven Siko Gadwal. These now actually from front I am also getting confused. इतना सुंदर फैब्रिक है, सिल्क या सीको समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. बहुत सुंदर फैब्रिक है. बॉर्डर 100% सिल्क में है, बॉडी कॉटन सिल्क में है और प्योर. और ये वाला आ गया बॉडी पल्लू. इसमें भी बूटा है और इसमें ये लीफ ग्रीन का सिल्क ब्लाउज है. बेज कलर विथ लीफ ग्रीन, है ना सुंदर? कितना सोबर कलर्स है इसका. Moving on to Patni, pure tussar zari border with Patni weaving inspired threadwork border. Weaving inspired threadwork border. These borders, what we see in the woven Patni silks, has been done in pure tussar zari border with boota and pallu. पल्लू तो जरी जो है वही रह गया, लेकिन बॉर्डर में पूरा एक खूबसूरत छोटा छोटा फिगर जो ट्रेडिशनल बुनिया बॉर्डर के साथ जो आता है आपका ट्रेडिशनल पैटर्नी में, वही हम वी हैव डन इट इन टसर. I've shown this concept before, but they are so much in demand and ये बहुत कम आता है. हर टाइम जो फैब्रिक मतलब वो कलर चेंज होता है, एम्ब्रॉयडरी चेंज होता है. Another awesome color which is this light mehendi. It's a yellowish mehendi. That not the greenish mehendi. It has a touch of mustard mehendi. Same concept and even the body जो आप बूटा देख रहे हो round shape, that is also with zari work and this is the pallu. Pallu will be zari, very nice, sober, lightweight tussar, very classy, and of course it will have the border in the blouse piece. Pure tussar, Patni embroidered border, number 20. Lovely sari hai na, the color and all so pretty. And who doesn't like tussar, and that also in this unique embroidery. The next one is this whitish silver pure silk organza, tissue woven. Tissue organza now from last year, tissue is a too much in demand. Everybody loves tissue. Those who are reluctant to wear shimmer, they also love tissues now, and so hence we do a lot of variety work in tissue. This is a lovely one, again with a patni embroidered border. See the work, it's so different, and the achol also. All these kind of weaves you will get to see in pure patni, Yeola patni sarees. So those sarees are all about 45, 50, 60, 70,000 depending on the if it's handloom and whatever, those a lot of it depends on the price. And those work we've done it in pure tissue organza with embroidery. Beautiful piece with blouse piece. You can make a pink blouse and use the border also. Tissues, now I had this unique tissue Banarasi in a bronze color, copper bronze color, metallic shade, and here is the embroidered पैटनी जो आप पल्ला broad पैटनी में देखते हैं वही embroidered in the tissue. So flowy fabric, party wear look, cocktail. Now this is number is 22. All the prices are mentioned and the numbers are mentioned for booking. Just take the screenshot where the number is mentioned and WhatsApp only 7603042696. Don't message in multiple numbers. The 98311 number you can call there in case of any emergency. Shipping will be done after 3 days from the date of payment. And no pre-bookings. First come, first serve basis, no returns. See the video properly. And we open every sari, and since we do not create bulk in single piece, we try to keep it unique. You'll see many variety and every video will come up with something new, but no pre-orders for these hand-woven saris. Now moving on to another very classy, a very loved sari, which is again another fusion, which is silk kota with patni woven border. So you have to polish this, and if you want us to polish, charges extra. Bandhej, we do light ironing palla part so that this crush part remains thoda sa अच्छा लगता है. तो ये वाला छोटा छोटा जरी बूटा और ये वाला है full woven. You can see the reverse side. This is the patni woven border palla. Silk kota, bandhej. So bandhej is an art. Patni weave is an art. And here is the contrast blouse piece. So color will be green and this brown. Once you polish this, the width of the sari will be normal. It will come to around 44-45 inches. But if you are very tall, I love it a bit crushed. What I do, I just iron the tuck-in part, and this part I like it the crushed way. So it depends how you want to style your sari. Two shades in this patni woven bandhej. of August till Durga Puja, open every day, Sundays also 10 o'clock in the morning to 8 p.m. at night. Number 24, lovely shade of grey and firoza. Very, very pretty shade. Love this. And here is the blouse piece, contrast. कैसे लगा कमेंट जरूर कीजिएगा. I look forward to your messages, and this is so beautiful. And also remember, all the sarees comes with zari butta. Tassar once again. अच्छा, पहले जो मैंने टसर दिखाया उसमें फिगर बॉर्डर, बर्ड्स, पीकॉक, पैरट फिगर बॉर्डर. इसमें मुनिया बॉर्डर जो एम्ब्रॉयडरी, ये जो आप देख रहे हैं ये जरी एम्ब्रॉयडरी है. दिस इज नॉट द बॉर्डर ऑफ द साड़ी, दिस इज एम्ब्रॉयडरी. मीना मुनिया इज ऑल्सो एम्ब्रॉयडरी. इसमें हमने रिच पल्ला किया. उसमें पिछले जो साड़ी मैंने दिखा उसमें वोवन पल्ला था जरी का और इसमें एम्ब्रॉयडरी पल्ला है, तो प्राइस में शायद थोड़ा सा फर्क तो आएगा। लेट मी चेक। यस, वही लग रहा था, प्राइस में तो फर्क होगा ही क्योंकि इसमें वर्क ही अलग है। सुपर्ब क्लासी कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ अ सीमेंट कॉफी कलर, वेरी वेरी प्रिटी। Another little brighter chart, red, blouse, for the class, beautiful. Those who like very elegant क्लासी साड़ी, थोड़ा डिफरेंट हो, ट्रेडिशनल लुक हो, ये ज़्यादा झिकीमिकी चंपो टाइप नहीं हो, बहुत क्लासी पीस है। These are for them. These are so unusual. Our own production of boutique sarees, signature collection of Sanskriti Kolkata. 2C Cornfield Road, Baliganj, Kolkata 19 and 12 Jamil Lane, Baliganj, Kolkata 19. Now this is a turquoise color. Some may say it's a Rama color. It's actually a turquoise color. ये कलर थोड़ा सा मोबाइल में अलग आता है, ये थोड़ा सा स्काई ब्लू टाइप का, फिरोजा टाइप का आता है, लेकिन ये एक्चुअल कलर है थोड़ा सा डार्क टर्क्वाइज, बहुत सुंदर कलर है। इनफैक्ट इट्स मच बेटर देन द फिरोजाज। दिस इज अ वेरी वेरी ब्यूटिफुल शेड, वेरी प्रिटी शेड, अ वेरी रिच शेड। बहुत सुंदर। I would say it's a dark turquoise. Now two hanging sarees in tussar shaded with woven. Now this is not embroidery, this is weave. See the back side, hand woven. Look at the weave. Munia border and petni pallu in shaded tussar, pure zari checks. शेडिंग किया है टाई एंड डाई ऑन अ टसर पैटनी। ब्लाउज पीस, प्राइस ऑफ दिस ब्यूटी इज 12,900. Another Munia woven border shaded tussar patni, blue and green. Very flowy fabric, comes with this check blouse piece and price 12,900. And here is the reverse side for you to see the weaving, and the tassels of course are done. 12,900 for this very pretty shaded. This one has few more shades, and this is a lovely shade of orange and red. Palla is in fuchsia. Very pretty color combination, sober and lovely. 12,900. And I have some Dupian Tussar Petni Banarasi sari with the blouse piece. Dual tone, butta and a contrast blouse piece. The blouse piece is not too much contrast, but it has a very nice magenta red type of dual tone with the border. Body is in burgundy with circular weaving butta. I love the fabric personally. Raw silk and Dupian are one of the richest look fabric. Beautiful, and all these are with woven petni border, woven in Benaras. And this tomato red. Look at the fine weaving. कलर, वीविंग, ब्लाउज का कलर, सब टोटल मिलाकर 100%, 10 on 10, परफेक्ट साड़ी। I have another surprise for you. A full jamewar tissue woven, just superb sari. Tissue weave, full tissue weave with jamewar, and the lower part is the tissue kora or tissue organza, which we say. These are hand woven. Pallu, handloom sari and patni embroidery in very sober shade on the tissue. Lower border में जो tissue है उसमें एकदम बहुत सुंदर वो एम्ब्रॉयडरी हुआ है, पैटनी एम्ब्रॉयडरी, और उसका ब्लाउज है ये वाला। This is the sari. This is how, and it's a very soft flowy silk, जिसके नीचे का जो कोरा बॉर्डर है उसके ऊपर ये पूरा एम्ब्रॉयडरी है। Color is an ivory type color. Beautiful, and the blouse I showed you, it's totally scallop pitanzari work and comes with this tassels. Very, very gorgeous sari. Once again, this is the blouse piece in gold tissue. Very, very pretty. Lastly, the one that I'm wearing a Siko Gadwal with in off-white and lemon. Price is 10,900. Silk blouse, silk border. Buta palla. The butas are little bit of mango shaped buta, paisley type. This is the sari with the nice green selvage border, very sober looking, day, evening, gold jewelry. It looks very traditional. The neck piece that I'm wearing with pearls with this earring, 4,900 4,990 rupees. 4,990 is the price of this set. Okay, thank you so much for watching. We'll be back soon once again. Stay with us.